got the whole road all to myself here.
Make sure you weren't like looking into the camera too much.
I'm only looking in the camera with one eye.
Okay.
I have no idea how this is going to work.
I said all there was to say, it would be way too long. So I'll sing it in Spanish, por eso.
You want to hold it for a while? Just look at it. Make it do whatever you want.
This old house is so empty.
To record, what do I push?
You're recording.
Oh.
Look through
I'm
it.
sure getting tired of myself acting this way.
If you want to stop it from recording, push the center button, the one you would push with OK or make sure you get this. This is the excitement here. Let's stop the truck.
So maybe I should stop it for a little while until there's something better.
Something better than this? My goodness. Picky. Sure, go ahead.